Good morning to the member of the Green Group community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. How was our night? I trust you had a very wonderful night. This is another beautiful Friday, another wonderful day. Guys, happiness is a necessity of life, and I believe you don't need much to be happy. But make sure that when you see others enjoying their harvest, don't go enjoying your seed. Yes, many have lived their old age and realized it was a mistake they made eating their seed earlier. Don't be like them. Yes, so today I charge everyone and I encourage you. Your seed is your program fee. Pay your program fee. Acquire as many coins as you can during this distribution period. This is a wonderful sunny day. So, guys, let's go all out. Don't forget, prospect, go and conclude, go and seal all those prospecting that we've started in the course of the week. And guess what? Happiness is sure. And you can see the happiness radiating within the community. Yes, we bless God. So, guys, don't forget one thing that brings happiness is abundant harvest. So, for you to have that abundant harvest, plant your seed. When you sow, that leads you, which is the program fee, you will reap multiple. Why? Because you acquire as many coins as possible as you can. And by the time the month ends, you have enough to spend for making purchases and to sell to new people coming into the community then. So guys, the billionaire zone is sweet. It's encouraging. Guys, guess what? There will be much and abundant fruit. God bless you. So have a wonderful and a nice Friday. I want you to like this broadcast, share, and contact to all your loved ones. Subscribe to it, press that button and subscribe to it. Thank you. Bye for now.